Hello everyone, this is exercise 13.2, question number 1. Using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. Now in this question, we have to use laws of exponent. So we know that we have some laws. So here 5 to the power 2, then again power 2, divide 5 to the power 3. Now see, in first term 5 to the power 2 and again power 3. So the power and power. So we know that we have one law like a to the power m and then whole power n is equal to a to the power m multiply n. It means when power and power, so we will multiply both the power. So here according to this law we can write 5 to the power 2 multiply 3. Divide 5 to the power 3. So 3 2s are 6. So 5 to the power 6. Divide 5 to the power 3. Now here we can see that in both the numbers 5 to the power 6 and 5 to the power 3, bases are same and exponents are different, and both the bases are in division. So again we have one law, a to the power m divide a to the power n. It means bases are same, exponent are different in division. So what we have to do, we have to subtract the exponent. यदि बेसेस सेम होते हैं, पावर डिफरेंट होती है और बेसेस डिवाइड में होते हैं, तो हम डायरेक्टली एक्सपोनेंट को माइनस करते हैं. सो विद दिस लॉ वी कैन राइट 5 to the power 6 minus 3. So 5 to the power 6 minus 3 is 3. So 5 to the power 3 is the answer. आंसर को आपको एक्सपोनेंट में ही रहने देना है, तो हम इसे और आगे सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे. 5 to the power 3 is the answer. Now see the next question. In this question again we will use laws of exponent. So first we will solve bracket. Now in bracket we can see that 2 to the power 20 divide 2 to the power 15. Again we can see that bases are same in division form and exponents are different. दोनों के बेस सेम है, एक्सपोनेंट डिफरेंट है, बट दे आर इन डिवीजन. सो वी विल अप्लाई द सेम लॉ, a to the power m divide a to the power n a to the power m minus n. So we will subtract the exponent. So 20 minus 15 multiply sign as it is and 2 to the power 3 as it is. Now 2 to the power 20 minus 15, it's 5. Multiply 2 to the power 3. Now here we can see that 2 to the power 5 multiply 2 to the power 3. Again bases are same, exponents are different, but both the bases are in multiplication. यहाँ दोनों बेस सेम है, एक्सपोनेंट डिफरेंट है, बट दोनों बेस के साथ में मल्टीप्लाई का सिंबल है. सो वी नो दैट a to the power m multiply a to the power n. सो a to the power m plus n. यदि दोनों बेस सेम होते हैं, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में होते हैं, तो पावर का एक्सपोनेंट का एडिशन हो जाता है. सो हियर with the help of this law we can write 2 to the power 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 2 to the power 8 is the answer. Answer we have to write in exponential form, that's why our answer is 2 to the power 8.